Alright, so today we're going to go through this Noco Genius. I got a used one off of Amazon. Figure we can do a little review and see how this works out. Because I have a number of motorcycles at this point. And the thing is that this guy, both have AGM batteries. The FXR is sitting on a lithium battery. This is going to eventually get a lithium battery, as will that. So I need something that will handle both LiPo and AGM. Let me get this out. Well, it's definitely got some heft to it. Ooh, pretty good sized battery charging system here. Now, this is one of the questions I've got. Are these all cool? They actually have, looks like SAE connectors. We are totally going to mount this on the wall. Oh, they have little clips too, huh? Well, so that's, well, it might be an SAE connector, but that's definitely not one. It's got a round and a little pentagon. So these accessories, let's see what you get. A little disappointed to see that they have their own custom little connectors there. Man, it would be a shame to have to cut all those off and rewire them. Come on. Good packaging. There's plug underneath. Design in the US, made in Malaysia. I didn't realize it was made in Malaysia. I just figured this was Chinese. Man, I think it's got some heft. It's like the 1, 2. Okay, good. An extension. Another extension because, you know, I gotta get all the way out to the FXR. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4 sets. These are fused, good. Of alligator clips. Oh, these might not be extensions. These might actually be SAE connectors. Well, that side's not. That side's not. So these seem to be extensions. How do they expect me to hook this up to anything? You got 4 extensions. Maybe in here? Maybe in the book? Oh, different wiring for different outlets. None of those are going to be useful for me. Is that a NEMA connector? I'll be running this off standard 120. Got a couple of screws. Yeah, okay, so what I don't see here is any way to hook this to a standard SAE. I am not entirely sure what they were expecting here.
I figured out what the deal is. So, apparently, the Noco uses its own proprietary connection. So, I had to go pick up an adapter to be able to hook this up to the bike, as well as a SAE adapter. So, be aware with the Noco Genius that apparently you're going to buy into the Noco ecosystem. Unless you get the adapter. Okay, I hope this is worth it. But I reckon there's only one way to find out, right? So, let me go get the rest of this hooked up. Alright, here it is, all mounted up. Yeah, So I've got the little connectors and all. I've got cables, run, hook it up. We can test out how this thing does. You can see it gives you your different modes on here. You got 6 volt, 12 volt standard, 12 volt AGM, 12 volt lithium. Kind of breathes at you while it's charging. I've got number 3 here hooked up. Just on a little Valuecraft battery. We'll see how it does.
All right, so long-term review. Noco Genius 2X4. I'm pretty happy with it overall. I will say on port 3, my lithium light no longer lights up, but it still seems to charge up no problem. It is actively hooked up right now to the lithium-ion battery in there. It's keeping it charged though, so not upset about it. We've got obviously the Noco cables hooked up list all over the place. So the softy over here has got one in it hooked up. I've got run out to the I have to hook up rather the second one back up to the FXR over there. But yeah, so far I've tested this across a number of AGM, lithium, lipo, regular batteries. It's done fantastic. Not wild about the fact that I kind of had to buy into like their whole Noco specifics on everything, but I will say it works out really well. I do have an adapter here so that like if Keeb or anybody shows up and they've got an SAE connector and they need to charge up, not a big deal. Use it all over the place. It's not a fast charger, but it's a good charger. Overall, happy with it. So there you go. Hopefully this video helped you out. If you're thinking about grabbing something like this, if you've got 1 or 2 motorcycles that you want to keep charged, I think this will do it nicely. It'll keep 4 of them going at once for you. Yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy with it. So, as always, thanks for watching. Wait, that's not my outro. I have to redo it. Say hi to Riley.
No!
All right, so hopefully this video helped you guys out. I'm still trying to get 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so it really helped me out. Hit the subscribe button, hit like, hit share, do all the things. I'm getting a little bit better about saying this. That's good. But if nothing else, as always, thank you for watching.